pleasant smell that comes after the rain is caused by a group of bacteria known as Actinomycetes. These bacteria grow in soil when conditions are damp and warm. When the soil dries out, the bacteria produce spores in the soil. When the raindrops hit the ground, these spores are kicked up, and they become airborne. The moist air easily carries the spores to us, so we breathe them in. But the smell isn't caused by the spores themselves. It's rather caused by a chemical excreted during the production of the spores known as geosmin. This chemical is responsible for the sweet smell after the rain. The human nose is extremely sensitive to geosmin. Some people can detect geosmin at concentrations as low as 5 parts per trillion. Since bacteria thrive in moist soil but release the spores once the soil dries out, the smell is most acute after a rain that follows a dry spell, although you'll notice it to some degree after most rainstorms. Interestingly, more aerosol is released in light rain than during a heavy downpour. Another pleasant after-the-rain smell comes from volatile oils that various plants and trees release. These oils collect in the environment, and when it rains, certain chemicals that make up the oils get released into the atmosphere, usually along with geosmin, causing a familiar and inviting scent.